I know that many of you find a lot of words difficult when browsing the internet. In this video, I'll show you how you can use Google Translate as a browser extension so you can translate any word easily. Let's begin. First, click on the three dots at the top of the screen, and then click on Settings, and click again on Extensions. Click on Chrome Web Store, and now search for Google Translate in the search bar. Done, we found it. Now click on Add to Chrome and click again on Add Extension. Alright, it has been downloaded successfully. Let's try it. Just right-click after selecting the word you want to translate and you will see the Google Translate extension. Click on it and the word will be translated. Thank you for watching. I wish you a productive day full of positive energy and happiness as bright as your spirit. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech solutions.